Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Addie and today I am going to show you guys how to make oatmeal swallow from oatmeal. Before we go any further, make sure that you are following my channel and you subscribe to my channel. Turn on your notification and don't forget to visit my website for the written instructions. It's getting real out here. Let's cook. Alright, like I said, it's going to be a short and sweet tutorial. You only need one thing. Oatmeal. Okay, so this is not the quick oats. Okay? This is the old-fashioned steel cut oatmeal that actually takes time to cook. If you use the quick oats, I'm not sure you're gonna get the same result because I think those are already softened in some way. I'm not very sure of the science behind it, but I know for a fact from trial and error that it doesn't work. Okay? And here's what it looks like. I am using just a regular schmegular brand. I've never heard of this brand before, but I was at Fiesta and honestly it was the cheapest, so I grabbed it. So you're gonna need this and you're gonna need a blender. I am going to be using my Ninja today and it's been drying up for me and I'm gonna just go fetch it. So you have to make sure that your blender is absolutely dry. You can also use a food processor for this, by the way. I just want to blend the whole thing in one go, so that is why I am using my Ninja. I'm trying the entire thing, making sure that it is desert dry. I'm going to dry my blades as well. Stick it in. So I am going to start small. Put in half of this in here and grab my top. Dry your top as well because this top is a little bit moist. We're trying to like keep this as dry as we can so it can grind like meal, okay? And if you have like KitchenAid meal grinder, you can do this, you can use this too. So instead of going to the African store and buying oatmeal powder for oatmeal for about $9–10, you can make one for $2. And light up. I'm gonna put it on high at first. So it's been blending for about a minute now, 60 seconds. And honestly, not bad, okay? Pour the rest of this in here. All aboard. Arr. So I'm gonna put it on high again and let it blend up. So that's a total of 2 minutes. And here is the consistency after 2 minutes. It's not quite ready yet. Be careful, we just want to loosen this up a little bit. I'm actually going to cover this. I'm going to invert this so that the powder in the bottom can have a chance to move around, okay? So this setting, I'm going to put it on puree because I want it to get smooth, right? I'm going to invert it again. Loosen it up. Alrighty, release the Kraken. And I think we got it. I think we're done. It took 6 minutes of blending. I'm going to do this one more time on high, just to get it as smooth as we can. And honestly, that's all. Alrighty, we're done. 7 minutes of blending. And I think we're absolutely done. So now that we're done blending, we're going to transfer it into this Ziploc bag. It's a gallon bag. And I'm going to just take this and just put it in here. This should last me a while. And now I'm going to make my fufu and I'll be right back. And here's the result of our tutorial. It's being served with a side of vegetable soup with oxtail and beef tips. So I really hope you guys enjoy. It is spicy, it is low carb, and delicious. And here is the result of our tutorial today. I'm going to wash my hands because it be la muele, you know what I'm saying? I eat fufu with my hands. I eat it with a fork. I eat it with a fork. I eat it with a spoon. And if I'm feeling particularly bougie, maybe with chopsticks. I'm just playing. I'm just gonna just dig right into it. Look at how soft that is. That is how you want your oatmeal. You don't want your oatmeal to be able to be like plaster. No, you don't want your oatmeal to be able to glue shit together. You want it to be soft like this. And if you guys want, I can do a tutorial on how I make mine. And that's the end of our tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you make this recipe for you guys that want to eat a little bit healthy, or maybe lose a little weight here and there, or just try something new. I hope you try it. Let me know what it tastes like to you. Let me know if you love it, if you like it, if you hate it. Comment below, alright? I'll see you guys next week. Oh yeah, don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Bye, loves.